आज का टॉपिक है ब्रेकफास्ट। ब्रेकफास्ट स्टैंडर्ड टाइम इन होटल्स is 7 AM to 10:30 AM. Introduction. Break the fast of night. You are literally breaking the fast included by the action of sleeping is called as breakfast. Types of breakfast. 1. Continental breakfast. 2. English breakfast. 3. Buffet breakfast. Continental breakfast. It consists of juice. Juice served may be fresh or canned. Fresh juice is served in a pony tumbler with an underliner and teaspoon. Accompaniment for all juices are caster sugar, while for tomato juice the accompaniment is Worcestershire sauce. Toast. White or brown bread, either toast or plain, is served in breadbasket or toast racks. Accompaniment include jam, marmalade, honey in monkey dishes or preserved pot, butter in butter dishes. Rolls. A choice of rolls from brioche, croissants, Danish pastry, muffin, donuts and sticky buns is served in a bread basket. Tea or coffee. Traditionally, tea or coffee is served in breakfast cups and at the beginning. Nowadays, regular cups are used. It may be served in pots with milk or cream, sugar pots containing grain cubes, demerara or sachets. Sugar-free options are also provided. English breakfast. It consists of A choice fresh fruit. Grapefruit is served in a coupe with an underliner and teaspoon, while fresh fruit is cut and arranged in a plate or in a nappy bowl. Papaya boat with caster sugar is often served as an accompaniment. Stewed fruit. Stewed prunes, apples, figs and plums may be served in happy bowls with whipped cream and caster sugar as accompaniments. Fruit juice. Fruit juice can be served fresh or it could be canned with a pony tumbler, underliner and teaspoon. Accompaniment for all juices are caster sugar, while for tomato juice the accompaniment is Worcestershire sauce. Option B. A choice of cornflakes or oatmeal. Cornflakes. Nowadays, a wide variety of flakes are available like cornflakes, wheat flakes, rice flakes, chocos, muesli, frosted, honey flakes, etc. They are served in a nappy bowl with sweet spoon and accompaniment with hot or cold milk is preferred and caster sugar. Oatmeal. It is a regular porridge served in a nappy bowl with hot milk and caster sugar. Option C. A choice of fish dish may include steamed fillet of haddock, fried fillet of sole, lice, whiting, grilled herring, salmon, mackerel, kipper, bloaters, kedgeree, fish cakes. The above are served on a fish plate with fish knife and fork and with no accompaniments. Option D. A choice of egg to order with meat and other accompaniments. Eggs to order. Eggs served may be fried, double fried or may be fried egg over easy, boiled, poached or omelets plain, fluffy, masala, Spanish, all are served on full plates with the exception of boiled eggs which are served in egg cups. Scrambled eggs may also be served on toast. Meats. Meats usually accompany the egg in the form of bacon, rashers, learn bacon, grilled sausages, bangers, sausages cooked till it bursts, grilled kidneys, hump, gammon, grilled liver, etc. The above may be accompanied with grilled tomatoes, sautéed potatoes, hash brown, mashed potatoes, fried or boiled potatoes, etc. Vegetarian option. Baked beans on toast or grilled mushroom on toast can be an ideal vegetarian option. The above are served on full plate, accompaniments with a large knife and fork. Toast or rolls. They are similar to toasts or rolls in a continental breakfast. Beverage. Beverage like tea, coffee, milk, chocolate milk, etc. are served as in a continental breakfast. Note: some establishment may also include or exclude dishes from the above selection to suit their guest needs. Number 3. Buffet breakfast. This form of breakfast has become very popular with hotels. It takes care of several factors. The buffet being open from a certain time onwards, usually 7 AM, guests have the freedom of coming down and not having to wait for their order, especially if they are in a hurry. Also, since the spread is wide, it gives more choice to guests and offers value for money. It also takes care of the continental plan guest, who get more in his plan than his coupon value. For the hotel, it takes care of the morning rush hour, reduce room service bottlenecks and the overall cost too is reduced as food is cooked in bulk and more choice can be offered, including local option. Besides, fewer staff is required to the coffee shop, where buffets are usually located. A buffet breakfast usually contains the following: A choice of more than one fresh juice, fresh cut fruits, choices of cornflakes and oatmeal, Eggs to order on the a la minute counter. Choice of meat product ham, bacon, grilled chicken, liver, etc. Toast or rolls served on the table. Choice of Indian breakfast idli, dosa, vada, uttapam, puri, stuffed parathas, poha, upma, pongal, kesari bhat, etc. Hot beverages served on the table. ऐसी और नॉलेजेबल वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।